Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. In this session, I will show you an alternative way to identify how much you are owed as a director from your company within Xero. What we'll do is we'll start on the dashboard screen and then click Accounting and Account Transactions. What we're going to do is search for the specific account that your transactions are allocated against. So this could be anything from your owner A drawings. This may be your owner A funds introduced. This may be within your dividends section if you have that account. It might be your director's loan account. And you may have created some other accounts as well. So it's worth having a look at all of those accounts, because if you have the information in multiple accounts, then you need to look at them all, potentially move them into the one location or add them up. So we'll just click on all three of those accounts and I will have a look at the last financial year. So again, make sure the correct accounting period or the date is selected and then click update. What will then happen is all of the accounts that have data within them will populate here, and it will show you the specific transactions it relates to and the dates that it relates to and the value that you are owed money for. So for example, I have paid personally a Google account subscription, and that means I have paid £100 against my personal bank account. I've put that bill through Xero and I've paid it against my personal bank account rather than the business bank account, which is why this is now showing up as an owner A drawings item. So I know for a fact I am owed £100. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.